Hello, everyone. This is your market update for Tuesday, June 3rd, 2025. We're going to get right into the charts today. Gold currently trading at $3,376. Had a big update yesterday, up almost 2.5%, tested the 3,400 area, and we're going to see what happens. Today is a pretty important day, and I think if we're going to roll over and make fresh lows in June, it needs to start pretty much immediately. If prices continue to rally throughout the rest of the week, especially after Friday's non-farm payrolls data, then I'm going to have to change my mind and say this was the intermediate cycle low here on May 15th. I didn't include this because prices never close below the 50-day EMA. Occasionally that happens. Maybe 10 to 15% of the time, prices will make an intermediate cycle low without closing below the 50-day EMA. But right now, I don't have enough evidence to support that. What we have is a divergence. We have miners making fresh highs above the April high, but we have gold not doing so just yet. So we have a negative divergence, and gold is not confirming the breakout in miners just yet. We'll see what happens. But pretty much we need gold to start turning lower immediately if we're going to see fresh lows in June. Continued upside, especially if prices break out above $3,500, then I'm going to have to put a yellow arrow here and say that this was the intermediate cycle low on May 15th, even though it didn't close below the 50-day EMA. Over to silver, currently trading at $34.46. We are back up to critical resistance here at $35. We're going to see what happens. If silver breaks through $35 decisively and continues through $36, then I'm going to probably have that would help confirm a May 15th intermediate low in gold. And I would say that we're probably going towards $40 very quickly. If prices roll over, cannot break through $35 here and roll over in the coming days, then we'll probably see fresh lows, a breakdown below $32 here in June. Over to platinum. Platinum is not confirming the breakout in silver right now, currently trading at 1,052, and it still looks like we have another seasonal peak here in May. Prices are down a little bit, reversing most of yesterday's update, and this still looks pretty bearish, and I think we're probably going to come back to the 900 level here in August or September. Over to GDX, finished up yesterday 6.16%, a massive day, gapped through this pivot here from $50.83, absolutely obliterated it, made a fresh high. So this is what I was talking about, a divergence. This happens occasionally. So gold is not confirming the move in miners just yet. If gold breaks above $3,500, then it would confirm this breakout in miners. But sometimes miners will make higher highs a month or two later and then roll over. So we'll see. Right now, I would have to see prices reverse yesterday's day and then close below $50.83 to support a top and more downside. Continued upside follow through, say above $55, would support a significant breakout in miners, especially if gold continues to rally and breaks out above $3,500. Over to silver juniors. Silver juniors were up 7.27% yesterday. Massive update, gapped through this $13.20 level. And now we are coming into the October highs around $14.17. So we'll see what happens. If silver breaks out above 35 and goes through 36 like a hot knife through butter, then I think silver juniors will probably continue to break out. If silver does not break out above 35, then we're probably coming into a secondary top here, and we're going to roll over here in the coming days. The next few days, again, are very important. And then lastly, I want to take you over to the GDX to GLD ratio. It was up 3.41% yesterday, and we are coming into critical resistance around 0.173 to 0.174 area. This area is held for the last couple years, and we'll see if it's going to hold again. If it holds, then I imagine this ratio will begin to roll over here soon. If we get a decisive breakout through this area that slices through the 0.18 area, then I would say we probably have a significant significant breakout in miners, gold miners, and probably silver. So I'll be watching this closely. If it's going to top and roll over, it's going to have to do so very soon. We do have a little negative divergence building right here where the MACD is not quite confirming the fresh high yesterday, but that could be alleviated if we continue to see upside follow through. So be watching this closely as well. In a nutshell, gold and miners need to roll over very soon, like today or tomorrow, if we're going to see fresh lows in June. If they continue to break higher and finish the week strong, then I think we probably had an intermediate cycle low on May 15th, and I'm going to have to go back to the drawing board to figure out where this cycle is headed. So that's it for now. Have yourself a wonderful day, and we'll talk to you later.